back again to my channel, Classic English Learning, a channel that focuses on the basics of learning to be yourself and being comfortable and confident in the digital world. So in this video, I'll explore how to make a smooth transition from high school to college. Basically, you know that is the most exciting stage in anyone's life. However, to some it can be smooth sailing, but to others it can be a big challenge and an overwhelming experience, especially if you are going to do your tertiary education at a college that is far from home and away from your family, with no one to supervise your movements and watch what you're doing with yourself. That can be a real trying time. However, there's always a way out in everything. Here then are the basic survival skills you can adopt to enjoy a smooth transition from high school to college. 1. First and foremost, you must congratulate yourself for having reached that special stage of your life. So be happy and be proud of your achievement. Whether it is a certificate or a diploma entry pass or a degree entry pass, be proud of yourself and vow never to mar that special stage of your life with anything negative. Be positive in everything. 2. Be clear with what you want to study at college, guided by your interests, your dreams, and your aspirations. Of course, parents can help and guide you, but it is basically your capabilities and what you really want to do with your life that will open your mind and enjoy your studies. And it will also help you to be in a position to overcome any obstacles or challenges that might come along the way. So be the ultimate decision maker of what you want to study, and you must also be ready to adjust your expectations in your studies. 3. Be yourself and have a clear picture of what you want out of your college experiences. Remember, this is an opportunity to expand your experiences and your circle of friends. Unlike at high school, where you were basically very local with most of your other students, at college you are going to meet different types of students from different parts of the world and different backgrounds. So you must try to avoid mob mentality or a group mentality by getting entangled and getting confused in trying to fit in and living other students' lifestyles. Just be yourself, be it in your study habits, your dressing, and your outings. Just be the best version of yourself and maybe let other students follow you. 4. Be prepared to learn and grow. Basically, college life is not only about academic work. It is also to learn to live and be responsible with yourself. So be prepared to exercise your responsibility and your independence without anyone supervising you or watching what you are doing with yourself. So be prepared to live a meaningful, purpose-driven, and a well-guarded college life. 5, the last but not the least, use your time properly. And you must learn to limit social media. If you are on social media, try to stick to meaningful sites. That is sites that have got something that is inspirational, motivational, and very constructive. And this will help you to grow to be creative and innovative in your thinking and in whatever you want to do. Remember, Mark Zuckerberg created Facebook in a hostel room. So try to think along those lines by exposing yourself to more exciting subjects and to other more practical knowledge to enhance and enrich your college life. And also, you must try to practice the principle of studying, playing, and exercise. And this will allow you to live a healthy lifestyle. And it will see you through and make you live a college life that is purposeful and very fulfilling. So there you are. Best wishes and thanks for watching. And if you find this useful and helpful, thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe, comment, and share. And remember to be yourself and be comfortable and confident in the digital world. Thank you. Bye.